10, 5.
Jules with the ball. That's good. 2 points for Step Pro. Lester handling the ball. For Brian Cage to Alegano. Shot clock. Alegano with the inbound. Butas. Nice steal by Mark Pinasa. Mark big pass to Vigo. Grabe naman doon at the ball. Waiting for his teammates. Big pass to Lester. To Daniel. Daniel for Trey. Vigo, the point guard. Okay. Mark. Mark for 3. Mark answers back. Step forward. 7-3. Side for 3. But look. Coach Derek. Kenji, big pass to Mark. Mark, no good. He got by in. Alegano. Alegano. Big pass to Alvin. Alvin for 2, no good. Big rebound by Alegano for 2.
Stop padding!
Step road. Jules, wait for his teammates. Coach Derek. Coach Derek on the 4-point line. No good. Lester. Dressing the ball. Quick pass to Soriano. Jumper. No good. Quick rebound. To Alagano.
Stop padding!
Dito tumalon. Scores 7-all. Coach Derek, Vigo, jab.
Shot
To
clock
Jules,
14.
for 3. No good. Back. Lester dribbling the ball. Good pass to Soriano. Back to Vidal. To Alegano. Alegano hesitated on that 3. Tosses over. Loses the ball. Big pass to the end. To Soriano. Soriano on the end for the 2 points.
Benga.
Mark hesitated on that raid. Coach Derek attacking the lane. Euro step. And it's good. Lester. Second raid. Waiting for his teammates. Big pass to Alegano. Alegano on the lane. No good. Jules. Again pass to Mark pass. Pero not to Lester. Lester to Deegan. Loses the ball. Big pass to Alegano. Alegano to the paint. Rebound by Alvin. Alvin for 2. No good. Rebound by Mark pass. Coach Derek again pass. Too strong.
Shot clock
Lester.
14.
Hesitated. Quick pass to Soriano. Jab set. Floater. That's good. Vigo. Losing the ball. Big pass to Joaquin.
Shot clock 14.
Big back to Jules, 2 for 3. No good, rebound by Wayne. Great rebound by Alegano. Alegano ahead pass to Lester. Oh, what a move. Big back to Ian for 2. Too long. Great rebound by Mark Pass.
Late job.
Over.
Damang lala talaga.
Jules,
Bakit pa ako nag-ipit ng
Coach Derek, big jab, has to pull up.
Kahit kasi nagpapay
No
ka
good,
lang.
rebound by Alvin.
Nag-alaga ka ng anak mo eh.
Dribbling, pass the lane. That's short. Quick pass to Joaquin. Head pass to Mark. No good.
Mandatory time.
Mandatory substitutions for both teams.
Easy!
Head pass to Coach. Cut on the line right there. Turnover.
Tutok na eh.
Alba to the Serpon. Big ahead pass to Geno. Euro step. Big pass. And that's turnover. This is the free throw. Rebound by you. Jerry, getting the ball. It's you. You looking for his teammates. Tonyo. Crossing over. Attacking the lane. Lower, that's short. Kick ahead pass to Charles. Great D by Tonyo.
Palong-palo. Parang hindi ako
Yellow
makakabakbak.
number Stevens.
May mga
Kick ahead pass to Alba.
kaya nga eh.
Tuno. Great rebound by Jimmy. That's the net one.
Kaya lagi ko. Ako na lang tayo. Kahit anong salita nila mamaya. Anong mabawi. Dito lang sila manangan.
Balesa, no good.
Panyap.
But great hustle by Balesa for the rebound. Alba, Santos. Crossing over. Attack the lane. That's good.
Ay, sorry po.
Adamos dribbling out for the Prime King. Coach D for his teammates. They head pass to you. You.
Shot clock 40.
The second shot by Alberto. Big pass to Coach D. Coach D. What a move. And that's a foul. Great defense by number 31. Tonyo Alberto. Big head pass to Steve. Side to lane. And that's the traveling violation for the step bros. To Alba.
Step bro.
Alba, Paserton attacking the lane. So good. Big tap. Paserton got the rebound for his teammate.
Shot clock 9.
6 seconds shot clock. Paserton attacking. One. Great defense. And that's good. Rebound by Adamos to Alberto. Alberto attacking the lane. Checks the foul.
Oh, kaya mo. Paano ka ba? Saan? Sabi ni Ele, gabi na daw.
Second one. Great hustle by Tonyo.
Thunder
Big pass to Adamos. Adamos, style to stay. Big pass to Tonyo. Alberto,
Yung kanina.
Alba, looking for his teammate.
Mag-ianis ka muna.
Big pass to Jello. Jello, time on the left. Big pass to Alba. Alba on the shot. No good. Great rebound by you. Porter.
That's your first personal foul. 13 foul.
That's a turnover. Step Rose ball. Charles, nagmamadali. Ahead pass. G for Jello.
Papuntahin mo na si Japan.
Bringing out for teammates. You.
Manalagarap, ito ka, wakan mo muna.
Big pass to Adamos. Adamos for Lex with the rebound. Nagmamadali. Quick ahead pass to JD.
Kung mo na hiling lumakad yung malak mo.
Coach D, big pass out there. Tonyo.
Slow motion. Pakatayin na.
Coach D for Grace.
Yun na. Nakalobi ko ba naman kanina? Naglobi. Ay, hindi. Doon sa akin. Oo, kanina rin na.
Wide open shot.
Wala akong pag-Friday.
Hindi, yung ano, turnover. Coach D, to Tonyo. All the way. No. Good. Great hustle by Tonyo. And that's 2 points for the ball.
Iba naman ang liga dito.
Stretch for the leg. And ball. Kick back. Alba. Alba for teammate attack.
Shenanigans na, no?
Turnover. Jello, no good. Rebound by Jello.
Kaya punta ko ng Friday. Di ko nakita.
Jello good. No good pa rin. Tonyo with the ball. Big pass to Jello. Jelly attacking the leg. What a move. One for Alberto.
That's your first personal foul. 14 foul.
Makes the free throw. Big pass to Matineo. 3 points. 1.
Tumutuloy naman ako sa mga
Dribbling it out with a fine kick. Big pass to Soriano. That's 4. Great rebound by Joaquin. Coach Ed.
First 5 minutes per minute, 1 foul.
Great defense by the Prime King.
Ang kanina pinapakas ko yun.
Big ahead pass to Dada for the
Hindi yung Pinoy na nalawa.
great hustle by Anthony.
Tatlong traveling, dalawang tama.
Big hit pass, floater, Alagano.
Yaman mo may
Misses the
isang
shot.
si Albert.
Great rebound by Jules. Coach Derek.
Bigyan naman namin yan. Okay na yun.
What a pass by Steph Rose. Alagano with the rebound. Lester, first teammate, and pass. Daniel for two. That's short. Rebound by Alagano. Floater.
Bakit hindi na ako maglalaro?
What a Euro. But this is the trap. Great rebound there by Soriano. Alagano. And actually, with two steps, that's an easy layup for Kevin Alagano.
Bakit sarap mag-Euro trip? Pwede ka mag-Euro trip. Bawal.
Rico. Dribbling again. With a step throw. Jules steps up for three. Scores 22-23. Picking up the point. Soriano. Big pass to turnover. Iba by Alvin. Big pass to Soriano. To Daniel. Sets up for three. That's too long. Great whistle by Joaquin. And back to both Derek. Rushing over two.
Oh my God! Dalawa.
That is short. Alagano with the rebound.
Saringan ako ngayon.
Crossing over. Derek Hike. To Soriano. Short.
Kailangan lang ako ng buwan.
Vigo nagmamadali. And that will go over. Great defense by Lester. Lester all the way. Turnover. Head back to Alvin. To Soriano. Picking up the ball. And that's a foul. This is the first one.
Pagleto pala details.
Hindi pa siya magsusukat. Susukatin niya pa daw yung ano niya, baseline niya. Tagalan.
Big hit pass.
Okay.
What a shot. No good. Great rebound by Jules. What a play by Jules and Lata to give the step forward a 1-point lead here in the second quarter. Kev, hesitated step back play. No good. Big shot. Kev got the ball. Back in the paint. Big pass. Great interception by Jules. Great to recover that ball for the play. Coach D. Floater.
Ay!
Big pass. Swigo. And that's a foul.
Tumaligay nga pala Monday. Ano, sarap kung nakalib ka ngayon eh.
Kasi hindi.
Turn love.
Tampo ka pa pre ah. Boss na lig mo no?
Here's the second. Alagano with the rebound.
Kaya pag napilayan, hindi ubos ang lead. At least totoo. Gagi yung isang
The legs crossing over, attacking the paint. Floater. No good. Great rebound.
Ako ng net. Bigyan mo lang. Asawa na. Anyway,
Sige, try na.
Kaya Albi. To Soriano. Lester. Waiting for a teammate. Soriano. No good. Great rebound. Turnover by
Maniniwala ba?
alam mo yung tagit-tagit yun? Ano yung special doctor?
Hindi ko galing ang Bulacan.
Doon ka na dali.
Pauwi ka pa lang, nakita ako.
Tao, gagi.
Sobrang late na nito pre. Nagpasa na sa skate natin dito eh.
Ako naman, tiga pala dyan sa loob eh. Kaya ganun, nag-Dempsey roll ako sa Dempsey roll.
The second one. Section 2 for 2. Scores 29-23.
Yung ano, si Ako nakita ng kilay. Ako nakita ng kilay.
Vidal.
Nakahitan ka.
Open shot. No good.
May isa pa ako.
Hustle by Corporation. Crossing over.
Basta ginawa kayo bata.
Ganun ako sa Tukay eh.
Soriano.
Tukay kayo pala.
And no good. Bring back by Lester.
Sa Tukay, di ako napapagod. Beauty na yun. Ano ko magkatakan?
Makes the
Ako patatagal.
second one for Soriano. You substitution for Soriano. Back to the ball game. Alba. Dribbling the ball. Big pass to Jello. Jello. Tag the
Hindi ako
paint.
tatawagan ng referee, may rabo.
That's short.
Wala lang 6
Get the ball.
Kumuha na ng papel, nag-aangat na lang. Kakasin ng mga pag-aan sa inyo.
Big pass for D. Coach D. Coach D. Short.
Sa hirap na dapat sa Madra.
Lima yun.
Di ba yun?
Let's pick it back to Mark pass.
Oh!
That this is. From the front end. With a head pass. JC for 2. No good. Great rebound by Lex. Hit back to
Paano pa ulit yun?
setting the pace. Pass to Jello.
Joy and Baston.
Ay na pre, tagal. Tagal talaga natin. Sinabilangan ng mga bata eh.
Taming lager pa yun.
Ahead pass. Great defense.
Mga kalang yayaman yun.
Lex attack the lane.
Kahalikan mo lang yung ano mo eh.
Big hustle by JB. Mark
Papa, artista.
No.
Uy!
Attack the pace. Big pass to the thought.
Uy!
No good. Tonyo. Crossing over. Attack the pace ruler. That's good. Cutting the 8-point lead.
Tangina ko, Robo ah.
Alanganin ng bata pa.
Alba hits the
May bomb na ba? Uy!
JB on the pace, and that's short. Ahead back to Jerry. Jerry attack the pace. That's out. No hand on play, but that's makes the first free throw. Makes it 2 for Mark back, checks up for 3. No good. Great rebound by Casanaton. Lex, set shot for 3. Too long. Great rebound by Yu. Yu to Alberto. Alberto all alone. All the way. That's good.
Slow mo, super. Sobrang sobrang baga. Ila.
Scores 34-30. 4-point lead. Floater by Lex. And that's good. 36-30 in favor of the Step Bros. Coach D dribbling it out. Waiting for his teammates. With the head pass. Daman. Back to Coach D.
Grabe ng Pinoy talaga yan.
Personal foul, 10.
Hindi kayo nandun sa kabila oh. Dala mo na. Nandun siya nakatry nag-house. Durot tama.
Alba dribbling.
Atay.
Yu. Hesitated on the three. Mid-range jumper. No good. Great rebound by JB. JB with a head pass to Jello. Jello. Yu.
Ay!
No good. JB. Back to paint.
Okay, lakap na. Paano kay Sean pala?
Mark pass. Set shot for 3. Basketball. Shot for Mark pass.
Diretso ng bomba. Diretso akong bench. Uupo na. Pagod na eh. Sad.
Setting it up for the French team. Crossing over mid-range. That's short. Ryan Hustle. JB with the rebound. Pick a head back to Mark. That goes to Beta. Alba. Crossing over. Starting the three. Wait for his teammates. Jello. Jello spin move. Great defense by you. What a block.
Huli.
Tonyo. Wait for his teammates. Jello. Sets up. No good. Great hustle by JB. Mark times. Mid-range. No good. Great rebound by Cesariton. Big pass to JB for 2.
Shot clock 40.
Adamo, mid-range shot, no good. Rebound, goal rebound. That's about.
Foul.
Baka Hasselman mo naman. Extra drama. Extra drama.
Makes the first free. Misses the second one. White ball.
Mayor of the game.
Last 21 seconds in our second quarter. Set goes, waiting for the last shot. JD open lane, misses. Great rebound.
Patay ka.
Manero, pinaghead back.
Buhay na ako to eh.
Joaquin, looking for teammate. Attacking the paint, bring back to Acoba. Coach B. Spin move. Bring back to Joaquin. Joaquin, no good. Alagana with the power rebound. Soriano. Great defense to be done.
Parang mapunta ka mo yung
Great pass taken. Almost a turnover. Soriano.
Kinabot yung mic. Nabasa yung mic niya.
Too strong. Coach B, the rebound. And it's back to start.
Laban layo. Nakakatuwa yung Ilocano eh, no? Ang lambing. Pinasal yan. Summer, step up.
Dinahan the ball.
Yan, dyan naman si Tristan eh.
Pagkabon ng player. Umamin sa akin eh. Pero si Pomol dapat.
Crossing over. Almost a turnover. Enter. Great one. Oh, great defense.
Julia, ni Gerald Anderson.
Gretchen Barreto.
Gerald kasi ang talaga.
Puta, mayroon yung Gretchen.
Taal. Baka nasa taal tayo niya.
Taga Batangas.
Wawan na sa defender ng Lapion.
Nakita. Nagulat.
Crossing over.
Oy, nice pass.
In favor of the step road. Holding the game. Charge. Zero and Coach B.
Time to shoot. Shot clock 5.
Great defense by Coach B. To Charles.
Si Doggy.
Shot. Great
Uy, baka parang ang ginagawa. Higit na sa kaya alam nila kulong umakas. Yung pala nagulong lugar. Gaganito yung pagitan. Ang ganda ng tarantahan. Pasyon daw. Wala ka wala. Wala ka rin dyan. Pag umalis na ito sa dalawa eh.
Charge. Lagano. Big pass to Lester.
Ito pa ako pinabili yung pulutan. Hindi na pupulik.
Charge. Dribbling for the goes to Coach B. Charles. Jump step. And that's a foul.
Hindi ako pera ng nanay ko eh. Hindi mo nabalitaan. Tapos pa naman yun eh.
This is goal. Great hustle by Soriano. Alagano. Crossing over. Attacking the paint. Yeah, that's good. That's Solini for David Alagano. Score is 47-43. The Brian. First the lead. Goes back to the back to the strike on. It's on the paint. Power move. Big move. The Kings.
Shot clock 10.
points for Alagano. Ateneo to Coach Derek.
Shot clock 10. Start to shoot.
Balik na naman ang isa.
No good.
7 points.
Price are closing in. Big hustle. One after again. Lester steps back. And that's to lead the Lester. Score is 52-49. Go on the move. Dribbling the ball. Way back for the this shot. Hesitate on the play. Step back. Looking for teammate. Intercept. And pass to Neto.
Just bibigyan ka na cash.
Attacking the paint. That's an easy 2 point score.
Wala ka pa itong paki.
Okay, dapat ko lang bibila ko. Oo. Bigat ka na lang sir. Gano na lang din. Isa pa nga. Isa pa.
Way back to JB. Attacking the paint. Misses. Rebound by Alba. Alba for 3. Patay ang pilit. Juice with the rebound. For the 2-point layup. 56-51 in favor of the Step Bros. Jenny. May burn. Earn. Step. Okay, pass to Tonyo. Tonyo, jab stepping. Back left.
Shot clock 5.
Jenny. Both leaders. Grabe naman yun. Ang mga tumatawad. Nagmamadali. Pinahit back. Kumalit. Leg. Hesitated. Attacking the paint. He was scored. Great defense by Adamo. Jules for 3. No good. Good for speed. To you. Almost a turnover. Great recovery. Jump stepping.
Shot clock 10.
Tonyo for 3. No good. Great rebound by JB. Great defense by Tonyo for 3. Crossing over. Loses the ball. And pass for 3. Skated on that 3.
Shot clock 10. Time to shoot.
Taking shot clock. Go 3. No good. Great shot. Next, the combination. Quick back to Alina. Back leg. That's good. Next for 2 points. Alberto. Crossing over. Big pass to Tonyo. Set up for 3. 3. And that's a foul. Links the second quarter. Big back to Alba. Second ball. Big back to Alba again.
Shot clock 10.
No good. Great hustle by JB. JB to Jules. Jules with the step back. No good. Almost loses it. You are stripping the ball.
GM.
The 3-point lead to Alba.
Shot clock 10. Start to shoot.
Iswiro, nagmamadali. And Iswiro! Corner. Tonyo crossing over. Looking. Great pass to Coach Lee. For stealing. Attacking the paint. Great pass to you. You set shot for 3. No good. Again back to Spico. Spico all the way. Alberto. Quick pass to Alba. And that's the turnover. To Alba. Back to Spico. Quick ball. Back by Spico. He misses that shot. post. Lester and back step. Step back three. Wala. Katamas right here. Send the three. With the swing.
Ganun lang ako sa bahay.
Director. Easy for Two ball.
Dito lang. Suspend yan.
Sorry po. Uy! Masyado malakas yung ADHD ko yung gabi ko.
Great defense. Rebound.
Start padding!
Coach D. Vincent. Great rebound. Walang palo mo. All the way na ka. Piano. Alvin. Big Max. To Lester. Resetting. Coach D. Vincent shot for three. No good. Great.
Kaya mo na, kahit sala, pwede yun.
Masikip-kip. Ay, wala pa.
The big hit back.
Time to shoot.
Bayad mo.
The Jews hope is on that. Get it out. With a big shot. No good. Zero. Big back to Lex. Lex with the shot. No good. Back to Jews. There is no shot. And Coach D drinking red. Lester. Big pass by Rano. And that's a foul.
Ano lang yan?
Next game.
Makatingkat ng sapatos ko pa. Ay! Makatingkat? Ay, pagkakatingkat ko yan. Ay, kakapitas lang. Sila ang galing.
Nanap yung announcer, nagsistretching pala.
Next game eh.
Coach D. Coach D with the basket. Step Rose ball.
Sabi niya si boss, hindi ko yan boss. Isa lang yun.
Coach D to up. D. Sobra.
Hoy! Sala, krabo. Double.
Jules.
Yeah, ganun nga. 40.5. 40.5. Mark. Hindi nga, hindi. Shout out sa
Second, effective 2 for 2. Score 68-63. 6 minutes left in the fourth quarter. Lester.
Walang na ang mata, pabalbasin pa eh.
Hesitating cross over. Big pass to Alabama. Alabama all the way.
Paano mo eh?
Ay, nakakatigas niya ako dito.
Partner.
Coach D.
Ang lalaki.
Mark sets up. To Jules. Jules to Mark. Mark with the ball. Great rebound by Alabama.
sayo!
Jules, I hit back to the lead. Edgar, quick one to step, and that's good. In the fourth quarter, score is 17-65. Hesitated on the three. JC, Alberto, and that's good. Easy lead rate for Alberto. Step goes, leads by 3. Goes deep. A pass to Jules, set for 3.
Tapos, alam mo naman, kapag ginagawa natin ano,
Coach D.
Baka mali pa yung pinagin ko, hayop.
Si Coach Derek. Derek.
Amoy ano talaga?
Let's check it out. Crossing over.
Dito.
That's a traveling violation. Jules. Great defense by Wexner. 9 seconds. Jules.
Patay.
Yes, big pass to Mark. Cobra. Picking up the ball, a head pass. Alagado, great defense by Imasa. Alagado, easy 2-4. Napakagandang laban ito. Score is 73-69. Continues the step forward. Sariton. Vigeno. Opens turnover.
Shot clock, 5.
By what a shot!
hindi ba kayo ako nawe?
Late so right, down back. Tapos, Alagano, aling pass to Jan. Jan to Bodhi, Bodhi, step back.
Uy, sayang.
Mark pass to the ball. Mark. Libre. Score is 76-71. It's a big back move.
Kung kailan malapit na no? Play and pray, gago.
Coach D to Lester. To Alagano. Alagano thinking about that trade. Coach D may set up the pace for the same pros.
Pati sagi na yun.
She just made jumper. No good. Rebound to Alagano.
Okay na, i-train nila sa live.
Looking to take the lead. Almost a turnover.
Uy! Huwag na kayo mag-overtime! Huwag na!
Mark pass. No good. Big pass to Edgar. Edgar Coach D. Set for the second.
Go, Coach D! Hey!
Mark pass and back to Coach D. Attacking the lane. Misses the first free throw.
Tapos ko yung lang so, sasama din naman laro namin.
Makes the second one.
That's left in the game. Inbound. Kevin Ilagano, Leo! Tie ball game. 77 yards. 37 Coach Eric with the ball. After the play. 10 seconds. Coach Eric. Lester on 3. On defense. First free throw, good. 1.6 for 5 feet. Second free throw. Second free throw, no good. No time of shot. Almost to right.
Team foul.
Coach Derek, inbound. Coach Derek,
Thank you.